Dear friends, Namaskar. Topic: Peace in Mind. Dear friends, we are running after peace in mind, but how many persons are there really keen to get peace in mind? That is the prime and most important question to us. The root cause of our peaceless mind and sorrowful life is attachment, desire. The root cause as well as its solution is given in the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, by drawing the example of pakal mach, a kind of eel or fish without scale, it lives into the depth of mud, but you will not find even a smallest stain over its body. This stain is the attachment, what Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna gave example to us. If we can live in our family, in our society without any attachment, then the life will be blissful and we'll get ever peace in our mind. Dear friends, what we practically do in our family, in our society, for each and every action, act, deed, we demand return, recognition, directly or indirectly from the family members or from the society. That is the root cause of our sorrowful life. We don't get peace in mind. Practically, what will you do? What we do? I have established my children. Now you see they are not listening me. I have done everything for the family. But is it the return? They are not listening me. They are not looking after me. I have given so much money. I have made the career of that person. Now you see he has forgotten me. Is it the nature of people? Like that, we are uttering all this useless things. Not only that, we don't stop here. We force people to listen us. We force them to give us respect, love. That is the poorest nature in our life. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, we'll find very nice example, the utterance of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Anandas chintayante mang ye jana pariyupasate teshang nittavi yuktyanang yogakshemam baham maham. You carry out your duty in your family, in your society, without desiring any return from any source, from anybody. you surrender yourself unto the holy feet of me. I will supply, everything, whatever you need. I will protect you, everything, whatever you are in possession. But condition, Anannas Chintan demand you. Remember, it is the duty from me you are given. Very sincerely, you carry out your duty in your family, for your family members, for the society people, without desiring any return from them. Don't expect any fruit for your good deeds. I will supply everything. I will protect everything, whatever you are in possession. But condition, you live in the society, you live in your family without attachment. You remember, you are doing all these things on behalf of me. I will give you everything, but don't expect anything from your family. You mix them wholeheartedly. You love them, you respect them. But you know that what Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna said, nobody is yours. This is the secret. This is the key to get peace in mind and the way to make the life blissful. Thank you very much.